everybody, this is Keith with CyberNU. Today we're going over another Mac-based tutorial. We'll be going over the use of the Time Machine, which is a built-in backup feature of the Mac. It automatically backs up all of your files, apps, music, photos, emails, system files, documents, everything. And it allows you to restore your Mac from said backup. So let's go over how to do that and what devices you can use. First off, you need an external storage device, and you can use a variety of devices. Your options are USB, Thunderbolt, or FireWire drive, the AirPort Time Capsule. You can even use a shared Mac and specify it as the Time Machine backup destination. You can also use a network attached storage device that supports Time Machine over Server Message Block, or SMB for short. In most cases, you'll probably just end up using an external USB drive. Alright guys, in this instance, we're going to utilize a Western Digital 1 terabyte My Passport external drive. I just plugged it in. My MacBook is already reading it over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Time Machine application, and you can just go to System Preferences up here through the Apple icon, or you can simply left click down here. So we're going to go ahead and click Time Machine. Again, if you plug in an external device, it may or may not prompt you to select that device as the default backup disk. But for learning purposes, we're just going to go ahead and do it manually. So after you click Time Machine, it's going to bring up this little menu, and we're going to select the backup disk. Now I want to use my passport. As you can see, it's already encrypted, so we'll just go ahead and go through that option, just explain it. So I selected my passport. Now, in most instances, in every instance, when you click your default device that you want to utilize, there's going to be an option here to encrypt that device, and I highly suggest you do that for security purposes. It will prompt you to set a password, and only those who know that password can obviously use this external disk. So I did already have encryption set, and now it's automatically setting up backups, and there's a variety of time windows that this automatically backs up. After a certain countdown, it'll do the initial backup if no backups are detected on the new external device, but it also does hourly backups for the past 24 hours, and again, this will be the first one. Daily backups for the past month, weekly backups for all previous months, and then let's say your backup disk becomes full at any point, the oldest backups will simply be deleted. So it's a very nice incremental feature. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this. All right. It's preparing the first backup. As you guys could see, there was no previous backup detected. And this is likely to be quite time consuming, so I may very well just speed through this process. Alright, it's backing up 128 gigs. What's up guys, we're back. We went ahead and paused the video just because there's no reason for you guys to sit through hours of it backing up. It did take 8 to 10 hours overnight. That includes offloading the data onto my 1 terabyte My Passport Western Digital external USB storage device, as well as encrypting that 123 gigs of data. So it may or may not take you as long depending on the device that you utilize, read-write speed or throughput if you're using network attached storage. So those are things to consider. But once you get that first backup, then it goes through the process of hitting these featured time windows backing up automatically, and it's a lot more smooth because it's going based off of incremental backups. All right, so that's it, guys. You guys now know how to back up your Mac via the Time Machine application. Stay tuned though, because we will be releasing another video on how to restore your macOS from a Time Machine backup. If you found this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.